Hello everybody, we're back at R.S.P.B. Manae, and as you can see there's been a lot of construction work going on. They've been doing the banks, the main footpath and everything is closed. Well, actually the whole reserve is closed. We just carried on going because we just wanted to go for a walk. Obviously we don't expect anything to be in place. And as you can see there's lots of work going on. They've redone all the banks and everything around it. It's just amazing to see how quickly, in about a year of people not being able to go through the footpaths and everything, how quickly nature takes back over. And you'll see in a little while in the video. It's quite amazing. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Talk to you in a bit.
To go is underwater now, so there's no beach combing.
Well, you just have to select from down there.
Yeah, we're going. We're still going to try.
A few stones and stuff. You just have to stop like it is in the summertime.
Some stones. Are they big enough? Come on here, please. Come out. You wanna go in or?
We'll see if we can get in.
I don't think so.
No, it's
No. Huh?
so that's not fair.
I know.
Why has it got to be locked?
Ooh. Which one shall I take? Yeah. Yeah.
That's all right.
Hi, bud. What are you looking for? Come on. Well, before, long time, when we came here for beach combing, it was not flooded and there were plenty of stone. But let's see what we can find now.
In the background you can hear the swans all the way along the whole trip we've done so far. The wind noise is really windy. The wind noise is quite loud, but all the way through you can hear in the background, you can hear the swans. There seem to be, you can't really see them because they're quite far away in the distance, but there's hundreds of them, and that's the noise you can actually hear at the moment, is actually the swans.
They won't be able to hear you, there's way too much wind noise.
I know.
That would just be a Something's upsetting the swans, they keep going from over there to there. First go to work on Monday. Don't stand a chance. Look at the state of it. Mrs. Covid and the Covitones. It's a new group.
Yeah, this is
Fatigue.
fatigue already. Oh my god. My gosh, my leg is like dragging me down. As if my body wants to It's trying to say you lay down or stop walking or just be still.
There's another battery in there, darling. Do you want me to take that? I've got room in my pocket.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it.
Okay, let's go. We got a lot of stone.
Okay, so shall we say goodbye from this one then?
Yeah. Okay, ciao from us.
Yeah.
Take care, everybody.
Guys.
Ciao from Papa.
When he finally gets going.
Oh yeah. Okay, bye bye. Take care, everyone. My hair, look at my hair. Don't worry about that hair. As I always say, guys, life is very short, so be kind. Guys, we are reliving the memory. If you remember, you have watched our video when we revisit the this WASHES. We pushed Papa along here on his wheelchair because it was so muddy. So we have. Oh, look at his shoes. He got it so muddy in a way. So that's how it is. So this was used to be the path, the wooden plank. We came and we always walk. I hope it's still strong. It's still strong. So look at how nature overtook us in a year that has been closed. Oh la la! Look, it's the reed taking over the grass. So, oh my goodness, I think they're doing a lot of things in this area. Mate? Where are you?
Huh?
Where are you? What? Well, go where Papa is. I'm just relieving the path. Ah? I know. I'll join you in that side. Can I climb? Oh.
Just walk around it. If I'd done that, you could have got my chair out there and I could have gone down there.
Oh, look at that. Thank you.
Ooh, we did it. A jungle.
It was.
Told you.